Greetings, viewers. What I propose to do in the next few minutes is to consider ways and means of enhancing our skills. There is knowing, there is doing. It is together that produces results. And therefore, the doing plays a very important part. And the doing has got the skill component. And the skill can be of a different order. And how to step up the levels of skill, that is the key of this discussion. The first step is a sense of urgency. You step up your skill when there is a sense of urgency. Let us take an example. Several years back, during the war days, people from industry moved into government. But what they found was that unlike in industry, in government you have to do a lot of reading. And therefore, they just looked for help. They looked for help because they have to read, it is part of their job, and therefore it is necessary for them to step up their skill of reading. So what did they do? They looked around for help. Now this is very common. This is very common. This is very common, especially in industry. They look for help. They know something. They also know they do not know something. And wherever they do not know enough, they would like to take help. Therefore, what they did was they looked for help. Therefore, the second step is an awareness of possibilities. Awareness of possibilities. In other words, there are people who read faster. Now, if they read faster, I think there should be a way of doing it, and therefore they thought in terms of possibilities. When you think in terms of possibilities, what do? You look for help. You look for help. You look for help in the academics, because that is where they are trying to extend the border of knowledge, the extent of knowledge. Therefore, they look to the academic people for help in as far as reading is concerned, are there ways and means by which they can read better, and more importantly, by they can read faster. That is what they did. When they did this, the academics found through their own research that there is there can be and there is organized knowledge on the subject. On the subject of reading, there is organized knowledge. This organized knowledge is available. And if it is available, naturally it can be made available to the people who want it, and therefore that becomes the first step, organized knowledge. When you get the organized knowledge, then the next step is this knowledge is converted into results. To convert into results, you follow certain systematic steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and therefore the systematic steps. And having done that one, you do not stop there. You do not stop there. These steps by themselves will help, but they will help much better if they are made into an integrated habit. Therefore, it comes to you automatically. And because it comes to you automatically, it becomes smoother and then better. And once you do that, that leads you to the final step, and that is constant upgrading, more and still more, better and still better. Therefore, when you adopt all these steps, namely having a sense of urgency, and therefore think in terms of possibilities, and then you look for organized knowledge, then you convert it into systematic steps, and you make it into an integrated habit, and having done that one, you go for constant upgrading. Once you do that, you find that your skill is of a higher level. Not merely higher level, but more impactful level. And that becomes possible. And this can be applied to any topic, including reading. Reading is one of them. Listening is another. In fact, anything that you do can be done better. And therefore, when you do it, the skill element comes, and when you do it better and better, the upgrading element, the progress element, the possibility element becomes possible. And therefore, what we may do is, we can start with this, and we can go to other steps. Maybe in another video, we will take specific, when we talk in terms of specific systematic steps, what are those steps? Those steps we will consider in a separate video. Thank you for your attention.